shit.
We're not in a good spot.
You got a wind?
That wind's true. It's locked up. It's all backlash. Ready, go.
Hey! It's fucked now. I know. Jimmy has horsepower. What's wrong, bub? How you get stuck here? You made it everywhere else.
What?
How'd you get stuck here, but you make it everywhere else?
She just said.
Alright, give it the beans. So this GoPro keeps fucking dying on me and shit, doing stupid stuff. Irritating as hell. It is what it is. Spent $400 on a camera. It don't work half the damn time. This trail has been used and abused. Look at that. This is a main trail. From bank to bank is what this used to be. I know a few people want running 35s on talons and they're
Hang on, Kellen. Back it up a little bit. Back it up and go to your left.
he just blew a tire.
Got your tire off the beam. Hey, Kellen. Follow the ruts up. Yeah.
Yeah,
He blew a tire, though.
right side.
He popped it off the bead. I don't think he blew it. He just popped it off the bead. Hey, can I come? Yeah.
Yeah.
You're good. Hey, Randy.
Right side.
Right side. Right side. You got that tire?
Yeah, I got an extra over there. That's funny.
Go, pick it up. That's good right there.
Oh. What's the flamethrower? Did it pop off?
Hold on. No, hold on.
Yeah,
Mud mare's fucking in.
gotta get more.
Here, hang on, stop. Danielle, toss me that microfiber on my
Yeah, we need to
grab handle.
I'll light it. I'll light it.
I want to do it.
Okay.
Make sure you cake it. You know, everybody came right up it. Everybody except for me.
Everybody but one guy.
Yeah.
The little 500 that could.
We thought something was going to be way worse. We're like, what's going on? Like,
I
it's a
thought
main
it
trail.
was going to be way worse too, because the way it was going yesterday, there were so many people waiting to get up it. I was like, all right, this is going to be a bad spot. I get to it, I'm like, this is it, and then I hit it 2 times.
Underneath that thing, but
Pick up on it.
Yeah, pick
Don't
up
flip
on
it.
it, guys.
Pick up on it. Oh, that's nice. That's perfect. Did you clean it yet? Yeah, because we got all day.
Light from the bottom.
You better get more than that in there. Be scared of it.
Now hit it with.
Oh, that's pretty
That's
good.
not even in the tire.
Buddy,
That ain't working. There it goes.
it's on there.
So we put it out or just like
Here, rub it with this.
It'll put it out.
Do we need to put air in it probably? I got air compressor.
Just pop up.
It's cold as shit up here on the ridge. It's been a rough day. it popped a tire again, so they're putting it back on. While we're waiting, Stephanie's making me a sandwich. I probably shouldn't film and hook this to the bar at the same time, but you're gonna need to put more mustard on it than that.
But we're rolling it, so I don't want to squeeze out.
Nah,
Right?
I guess. Roll it like a blunt. Alright guys, we're back. I'm gonna wash the Talon up again. It was a rough weekend, honestly. It was a good weekend, but a rough weekend. Talon definitely needs tires. These tires do not cut it around here. Also, I want to save these tires too, because we are planning a trip out to like Moab and stuff in the fall time. So I kind of want to save these tires for that trip. I think I'm gonna run with Carnivores. Found a decent set not far away from me on Marketplace. I'm gonna end that video here. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and we'll see you guys in the next one.